Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating relationship between physical activity and our breathing rate, along with some insights into human bone structure. Let's get started. These questions are from Paper 6, Biology, June 2016 session. Question 5, 6 marks. First up, let's explore how cycling speeds affect breathing rates. In an investigation, a student's breathing was measured at rest, then immediately after cycling at increasing speeds from 10 km per hour to 25 km per hour. The results are shown in Table 5.1. In Part A, Part 1, using the information in Table 5.1, state the general relationship between cycling speed and breathing rate. As expected, the results showed a clear trend. As the cycling speed increased, so did the breathing rate. Now, why does this happen? When we exercise, our muscles demand more energy, leading to increased oxygen intake and carbon dioxide output. To keep everything balanced, our respiratory and circulatory systems ramp up their efficiency, helping us to expel carbon dioxide quickly. Part B states, the volume of air breathed in and out by the student also changed during this investigation, as shown in Table 5.2. Let's look at minute volume, which is calculated by multiplying the breathing rate by the volume of air per breath. For instance, after cycling at 25 km per hour, the student had a breathing rate of 27 breaths per minute, with a tidal volume of 3,000 cubic centimeters. This results in a minute volume of 81,000 cubic centimeters. That's a lot of air. Question 6, 11 marks. Figure 6.1 shows two bones from the arm of human. In Part A, identify the bones labeled A and B. A is the humerus and B is ulna. In Part B, make a drawing of the bone labeled B. In your drawing, ensure a clean and continuous outline to accurately represent the structure of the bone. The dimensions have been carefully maintained. In terms of proportions and detail, capture the essential characteristics of the bone, showcasing its shape and structural features. This careful attention to detail helps to highlight the unique aspects of bone B, which are crucial for understanding its function in the skeletal system. In Part C, Part 1, we measured and recorded the length of the bone labeled B in Figure 6.1. The ulna was found to be 9.5 cm in the image that is 95 mm. In Part 2, we need to calculate magnification. Image size is 95 mm, which was measured in Part 1. The actual length of this bone is 243 mm, which gives us a magnification of about 0.39. This helps us understand how images can represent real-life sizes. In Part D, Part 1, state the type of joint formed between bone A and bone B. The connection between the humerus and the ulna is a hinge joint. In Part 2, describe the movement permitted by this joint. This joint allows for bending and straightening, enabling crucial movements like flexion and extension of the arm, essential for everyday tasks. And that wraps up our exploration of physical activity's impact on breathing and the anatomy of the arm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.